morning, students. So, as we were reading about sentence. What is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. So whenever we read any sentence and when we speak in front of the someone, then it gives a complete sense. जब भी हम किसी के सामने बोलते हैं या हम कहीं भी रीड करते हैं तो उससे हमें complete sense मिलता है. इसका मतलब हम जब भी रीड करते हैं किसी भी sentence को तो पता चलता है what are talking about. ओके इन द सेंटेंस. इस सेंटेंस में किसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. नाउ टुडे वी विल डू काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. ओके सो काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस, देयर आर 4 काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस व्हिच वी विल लर्न टुडे. सो फर्स्ट वन इज you can say statement. Okay, statement it states of fact or opinion. Statement states a fact or opinion and it ends with full stop. जो statements होते हैं वो हमें किसी opinion के बारे में बताते हैं या किसी fact के बारे में बताते हैं और हमेशा वो full stop से end होते हैं. For example, you can see here the sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. It is universal truth. Universal truth का मतलब होता है students जिन्हें हम change नहीं कर सकते, which is natural, जो natural है. Okay, तो हमें पता है कि sun always जो है वो east में ही rise करता है. ये fact है, ये सही है. Okay, so this sentence is fact. Okay, now the sunsets here are beautiful. Someone is here when he or she is watching sunset. Sunset होता है जब सूर्य डूबने को होता है. So that time the sight was very beautiful. Okay, the sight is very beautiful. तो उस समय जो sight होता है वो बहुत ही beautiful होता है. So it's my opinion. It's someone opinion. Okay. So यहाँ पर बता रहे हैं student the sunset here are beautiful. यहाँ जो sunset है वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है. इट मीन पर्सन हु इज हियर गिविंग हिज और हर ओपिनियन, अपने विचार बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे. सो इट्स ओपिनियन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ क्वेश्चन और इंटेरोगेटिव. ओके, क्वेश्चन और इंटेरोगेटिव. सो वंस अगेन, now what is question or interrogative? When we ask or when someone asks question with us, that is called question or you can say also interrogative. आप उसको question भी कह सकते हैं और interrogative भी कह सकते हैं. For example, if you meet with any other person at first time, okay, in the park or anywhere in a school also, then you will ask what is your name. What is your name? It means you are asking question to someone else or someone else asks question to you. Where do you live? What is your name? What's your father name? In which class do you study? Okay, or I can ask with you, have you done your homework? Have you read earlier chapter? It means when the question making by someone, that is called question or interrogative. जब किसी के द्वारा क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है तो उन्हें हम क्वेश्चन कहते हैं या फिर इंटरोगेटिव कहते हैं. एंड इट एंड्स विद अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. हमेशा जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं या आप इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं वो हमेशा क्वेश्चन मार्क से एंड होते हैं. लुक हियर, हैव यू डन योर होमवर्क? ओके, आई एम पुटिंग question mark at last. And where do you live? It is also putting question mark at last. So whenever you are finding question mark is end of the sentence or question is making by someone, that is question or you can say interrogative. Okay, so once again, what is a statement? A statement states of fact or any opinion. किसी fact के बारे में बताता है या किसी opinion के बारे में बताता है. Okay, and it always ends with full stop. और वो हमेशा full stop से end होता है. Now question or interrogative, when question making by someone, then it is called question or interrogative also, and it always ends with a question mark. Now let you see some other kinds of sentences. Third kind of sentence is imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? In this sentence, it expresses command, request or suggestion. Okay. So in imperative sentence, there is command, there is suggestion or there is any request. It always ends with a full stop. Imperative sentence always ends with a full stop. Okay. For example, come with me. Come with me. Okay. It means here I am commanding to you. Come with me. Go there. Come here. Go outside. Come inside. It means I am commanding here you. So this is imperative sentence. And in second example, you should do your work at time. It means I am suggesting you. You should do your work at time. It means I am suggesting you. Okay, so it is imperative sentence. Now let you see exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence, it expresses a sudden or strong feeling. Okay, it expresses a sudden or strong feeling, any joy feeling, any sad feeling, that is exclamatory sentence. And it ends with exclamation mark, that is exclamation mark. So exclamatory sentence always ends with exclamation mark, and it expresses a joy feeling or any sad feelings. Okay, for example, what a beautiful dress. कितनी सुंदर ड्रेस है. If someone is wearing, okay, if someone is wearing any outfits which is a very beautiful, so I can say or you can say what a beautiful dress. कितनी सुंदर ड्रेस है. It means here you are expressing your happy feelings. Okay. Now, how cold it is today. How cold it is today. आज कितनी ज़्यादा सर्दी है. That is exclamatory sentence. So I hope students you must have understood imperative also. So once again I am going to recall you. Imperative, it means a sentence which express any request, any command or any suggestion. It is imperative sentence. For example, you can say, please give me a glass of water. Please pass me that book. Please, it means requesting is being done by any person. Okay. And in exclamatory sentence, it expresses any sudden or strong feelings. That is called exclamatory sentence, and it is always ends with exclamation mark. So that was your kinds of sentences which you have to do in your notebook and read once again.